Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this one CCFL. This is a 9.4-inch Sharp display from one CCFL to our UB35 with LED kits. This LED kit including one strips, one drivers. The strip can connect to either connector. This red connect to positive 12 or 24 volt, negative ground, and the black wire. Okay, let's set aside. Take a look at the screen. It's made by Sharp. Okay. It's called a LM64P821. It's 9.4-inch display. It's really old. As you can see, the screen, the lamp was mounted vertically. Okay. So first thing first is that you need to remove this 3 screws to remove this plastic cover. But before do that, we had to remove the tape and wire first. Okay. So simply just do like this. Yeah. Okay. Just peel like this. Okay, just like this. Alright, do the same thing on this end, and then we can start to remove the screws. Okay. Now we're gonna remove these 3 screws, and then the wire too. Okay. Alright. Let me see. This one should take it out. So 3. Yeah, we gotta leave it this one as is. Yeah, we gotta peel the tip all the way like this. Okay. Take it out. You see this? Okay, so after you take it out, it's easy. Okay, you just wire come out from this side. Just put it like this, just against the. See that? Make sure the wire is out. Yep. Just put back the 3 screws. Just put back 3 screws, and then flip over. You're gonna secure the wires on this end, and connect the driver. See, less than 15 minutes. Okay. Thank you for watching.